To our YouTube channel Learn and Grow. We share various videos related to financial management on our YouTube channel. You can watch them and you can like and share our videos, and please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Data validation. So many times we used to give data to be filled by third parties or third peoples or our team members, and there are very much chances that there might be errors in this data. Now, to avoid data errors or data problems, we can always use data validation formula. Now let's say we have these account names available with us, and whoever is using this Excel sheet, we want them to select or to write these account names only, and there should not be any errors. So we want to put here the data validation formula. What we can do is we can select that cell and we can go on data tab and select data validation. Now default it selects any value, but we want to get selected from this list, so we will select here the list. We will click here and we will select the list from where the data should be chosen, and then we'll click on OK. So now whoever put anything in the row 1, they have to select from this drop down menu only. They cannot manually enter any other data other than this which has been mentioned. So this will help us in saving any errors. Now let's say you want data validation to be done in next another, let's say up to 10 rows, right? So what you can do is either you can select all these rows before going to data validation, or you can directly go on third row and you can copy this and then select the balance rows, and then you can do paste special, and here you will select the data validation. So this way now friends, the sales will accept only drop down list. You can insert from here, but if you type any other, for example I will type other, so it will not accept, it will give an error because here the data validation tool has been used. So it is very useful when you want people to have entered the values which have been specified by you. And this data sheet or list can be on other sheet also. It need not be on the same sheet. This can be taken from other sheets also. Data validation for date also. So if you want people to insert the dates which has been mentioned or specified only by you, then you can use data validation for date also. What you have to do is you have to select that cell, and then again on data tab you have to click on data validation. In here you have to select the date. Now you can select between or not between or equal to, or it is not equal to, or it is greater than. So for example, if you want to mention on the data to be inserted only after particular date should be there, then you can mention the date here. Now what this will do is this will only accept the data which has been inserted after that date. So that way you can use on various columns the data validation, so that there are very low chances of errors in your data. And please like and share our videos. Support me by subscribing my YouTube channel, and please share it with your friends and group circles. Thank you.